Hello, this is Tomlin from TomlinHarmonicaLessons.com, and today I'm going to show you your first super simple blues lick. You'll need a C harmonica. We're playing in second position in the key of G, and before I show you how to do it, if you want to support the channel, then please subscribe and hit that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notified when I upload a new video. Okay, so the lick, it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we are starting on the offbeat. After beat 3, we're starting with a 2 draw. So that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then our next note lands on beat 4, then our next note will land on the offbeat, and then our next note will land on beat 1 of the next bar. So you're playing eighth notes, but it's important that you start on the offbeat, otherwise the whole rhythm gets thrown off. So you're playing 2 draw, 3 draw, 4 blow, 4 draw. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try that together. 1, 2, 3. And again. 3. 2, 3. Okay, so spend a little bit of time working on that, and now if you're ready, I'm going to show you how you can play this over a 12-bar blues, and I'd like you to join in with me, so I'm going to count you in between each lick so that you can play over the backing track. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that already sounds pretty cool. When you've finished this lesson, I suggest that you download the backing track. I'll show you how to do that later, and you play that lick over it, up. But the next step is playing it down, so playing it backwards, starting on that 4 draw and coming back down. So exactly the same rhythm, but we're starting on the 4 draw, we're playing 4 draw, 4 blow, 3 draw, 2 draw. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3. And again. 1, 2, 3. One more time, nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's try it with the backing track. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we've played it forwards, we've played it backwards. Now I want you to think about those 4 notes as notes that you can improvise with. So you can play them in any order over the 12-bar blues backing track and they'll sound pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play you 24 bars. So I'm going to go twice around the 12-bar blues backing track, and I'm going to start by playing the lick as we learnt it, forwards, then backwards, and then I'll show you how I start improvising with it. Okay? Excellent. So what I want you to do now is I want you to spend some time practicing playing that lick up, playing it down, playing it inside out. Use those notes to build your own 12-bar blues solos and do it over and over and over so it starts to feel natural. And if you want to download that backing track as well as the tab for the lick, just click in the description below or click the little card that's going to pop up above my head, and it'll take you to my website where you can put your email address in and I will send that to you. And if you want to go a little bit deeper, this is actually part of my free 4-week foundation course, which you can also find in the description below and also at that little link above. And that's your first 4 weeks of playing harmonica, and I think it's the best foundation for anyone who wants to get started learning this little instrument. Before you run away though, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video, which is every Wednesday. All right, take it easy. Happy harping.